want a dog. They are cute, furry, warm, and lovable. Dogs add to the human experience and enrich an owner's life.
Whatever.
Dogs provide endless amounts of entertainment for the whole family. Dad enjoys watching the dog eat treats. Everyone enjoys walking the family friend. And the kids have a couch mate. You don't have to be a good cook. And when the kids won't eat, their plates still get cleaned. Run out of dog food? Just grab the first thing that you find in the fridge. But remember, people food isn't for pups. Your pooch will always be there for you. If you're in a fight with a friend, your dog won't fight you. Need someone to talk to? Dogs are the best listeners. He'll be your best friend. When you have a bad day, your animal knows. He will do anything to cheer you up. He'll even try to make you laugh or make you smile. And he will always want your attention, and he just wants to be loved. They will always be there when you get home. They will never leave you alone. They will always be at your feet and love you. And you will love them just the same.